Dear audience and loving guys, you have just enjoyed every thought speech. I want to change your thought in English language because English is the very important and famous language of the world. So I invite before you my brother Shafi Ahmad at podium for English speech. He comes at podium and speak in English language.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا استعينوا بالصبر والصلاة إن الله مع الصابرين صدق الله العظيم. Honorable President, dear audience and loving guys, we will talk to you about the Islamic prayer of namaz, the most important worship in the Islam, the most important resource to go to nearby Allah. After being fully convinced of that, the first obligation is to offer namaz. It is thought namaz that a Muslim is recognized during the prayer of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. If Muslim did not come to mosque to say a Muslim, the people thought that he has gone out of the fold of Islam. Dear audience, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to say that it is only namaz which distinguishes Islam from a kafir, because our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Bain al-abdi wa bain al-kufri tarkus salah." Dear audience, the person who does not offer, the person who will not offer namaz will enter the fold of kufr. The namaz is the most important of all the commandments of Allah. You can never leave namaz. If a sick person cannot stand or sit up, he should offer namaz with al-qaid. Whether you are traveling, whether you are in train or ship or house or forest, you must offer namaz. Dear audience, according to Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal, who gives up on namaz becomes a kafir. Imam Shafi'i says whoso leaves a prayer should be killed. The person who does not offer namaz, according to Imam Abu Hanifa, should be put into prison and unless he repents, he kept should in prison. At the day of judgment, the first question will be asked whether I had offered this fall from of worship, establish namaz, to keep fast, to offer zakat, to perform hajj. Before performing this fall from of worship, one must clearly say that he believes in Allah and His Prophet and all the commandments which come from His Prophet. Now I stop my speech. Thank you.